Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you two methods or two ways to download and install Fortnite game on iPhone and iPad. This game is no more available on App Store, so without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we have to launch Safari browser and search for App Valley. After loading the page, we have to tap on download for iPhone. After downloading the application, open App Valley. This is the first method I'm going to show you, so keep watching until the end. After opening the app, these are the ads, just ignore them. Or scroll down to find Fortnite. There is Fortnite game, or you tap on search. Tap on search. And search for Fortnite. Now tap get. After a few seconds, a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on install. And the application will start downloading. Now we are going for second method. Cancel it, launch Safari again and search for Panda Helper and tap download for iPhone. And tap download link 1. After downloading the application, open Panda Helper. Tap on games. Ads, just ignore them. Tap go. Now you have both Fortnite games. Tap on install, and here we have to keep in mind one thing: the Panda Helper free version is allow only one application to download. So try one of them to get Fortnite game on your iPhone and iPad. Hopefully friends, this video is helpful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.